how to log in into EOS Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with, and on the search URL, type in EOS Employee Login, then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on this interface. Now to log in, click on this second link that says Login Employees One Source Group. Click on that. Once you land on this interface, scroll down a bit and there you will get Employee Login button. Under Employee Login, click on that. Redirected to login page. First of all, you have to enter your valid username associated with your account, and under that enter your correct password. In case you forgot your username or password, there is a link right under login button that says forget username or forget password. Click on that, follow some instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. Or if you don't have an account yet, in order to register, click on this register link and again follow some instructions and create a new account, and after that you will be able to log into your account. Now if you are done typing in your username and password, simply click on login button, then you will be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you can log in into EOS or Employers One Source account. I hope this video helped. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.